doing, guys? Welcome back to the Bond for another, well, not so much cocktail spotlight. Let's call this one a cocktail quickie for want of a better name. If you've got any suggestions, please let me know what they are down in the comments. But I'm going through a load of my old spec sheets and I've put together a list of cocktails that I really want to share with you guys that don't necessarily need a 20-minute deep dive, but do merit a video in their own right. And I haven't made a lot of these drinks for a really, really long time, so hopefully a lot of these will be new to you. But on that note, although these are all great cocktails, I doubt anyone's actually going to search for them by name on YouTube, so I'm really going to need your help to get the word out on these ones. So hit that like button and the notification bell, leave a comment, good or bad, the algorithm doesn't care. Let's get some views on this video. All right, enough fucking around, let's get behind the bar and make today's cocktail. Alright guys, I'm going to be making a super simple drink for you today called a Tequila Daisy, and if you like margaritas you're going to love this. In fact, it might even be a bit better than a margarita, and it's very, very simple. It's just tequila, lime juice and a syrup, and we're going to be using a homemade pomegranate syrup today, and I've just made this using 1 part of good quality pomegranate juice and 1 part caster sugar, stirred down together until it's clear, exactly as I would make my 1-to-1 simple syrup. I was going to use grenadine, feel free to use grenadine at home if you want, because grenadine is supposed to be a pomegranate syrup, but I was looking at the stuff that we've got here in the bar today and there's no pomegranate in it, so get rid of that and we'll use the homemade stuff instead. So let's start with 20 mils of that. And then our lime juice. Now, although I made that pomegranate syrup exactly how I make my 1-to-1 simple syrup, the pomegranate juice is unsweetened, but it is still a bit sweeter than water. So we're not going to go 1-to-1 on this. We're going to go slightly more on the lime juice, say 22 mils. And then last but not least, we need our tequila, and I'm going to be using this Contigo 1530 Blanco, and shout out to my mate Bobby from Oak and Still who sent me this, and it's a couple of other goodies. I'll leave a link down to Oak and Still so you can check out all of their other yummy products. And that's it. Let's shake it up. Right, we're going to strain that into Nick and Nora, and I don't think this drink needs a garnish, but if you want a bit more of that margarita experience, you could probably do a little bit of a salt rim, might be quite nice. So I've got some pink salt here just to keep the colours consistent. Probably no need to double strain. Well, hey, that looks beautiful. And that is a Tequila Daisy. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna go no salt first. Yeah, it's really good. It's just like a really good fruity margarita. That is top notch. Yeah, it's quite nice with the salt. Don't need it. Delicious. Really nice dryness from the pomegranate. Dangerous. All right guys, hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you got on with that Daisy down in the comments, and I'll try and get another one of these quickies out as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Fucking pins and needles. All right guys, I'm gonna be making a super simple 3-ingredient drink for you today called a Tequila Daisy, and if you like margaritas, you're gonna... All right. Nice. Quickies out as soon as possible. How we do? All right. Oh, fuck me. It's gonna do for me.